Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you my Rite couponing haul for this week. I didn't coupon last week because I just didn't see any deals. I was going to post a breakdown blog for this week, but I lost track of time and we had huge events at work and I was just pooped out and tired and honestly didn't have the time. So I finally went couponing today and yesterday. So what was that, Tuesday and Wednesday. I did this a little bit later in the week, but I'm happy that I was able to get all of my couponing done today because I kind of had to because I'm not going to be home the rest of the week. So pretty decent deals. Some things that I just added in because I needed it. I really wanted some Dial hand soaps, not that I am running out or anything, but I love getting the Dial foam soaps. I need nail polish remover, and I've used the Rite kind before, which is great. They were buy one get one half off and part of the spend 50 get 20. No coupons or anything, but it was part of the deal, so that was great. The Hershey's, we had a $1 off a 2 load card coupon. Since I'm going to be away, there are some Rite Aids. I do have that $1 off a 2 coupon on 2 of my other cards, so I'll probably complete it. And the Persil, I only had 4 of the coupons, so I just put it towards my scenario that I was doing for that card, and it just still came out like super cheap. So I'll be giving that away, as well as the Gain. There were $2 load the card coupons for the Tide and the Gain. The Rite Guard, I used the buy 2 get 1 free. My husband needed deodorant, so that's what we did here. I just worked the coupons into the scenario. For the Scots, you only want to buy 4 packs per card, whether it's going to be the toilet paper or a paper towel or whatever, or even the Cottonelle. Only buy 4 per card because then you'll get a $5 Catalina. So I needed 8 to do the deal towards the spend 50 get 20, but that way then I could get back a total of $10 back in Catalinas, because for every 4 I would get back a $5 Catalina. So if you do all 8 in a transaction, you will still only get one $5 Catalina. So that was amazing. I wish I had more dollar off of 1 coupons. I don't. I was kind of bummed out that I had to get a regular Scott because this is like the worst toilet paper in the world. However, my mom loves it, so I'm going to save it for her for next time she comes up and just give her that pack. So yeah, the Scots I definitely wanted to do this week because I love Scots. The soft soap, I did 13 of them in a transaction. I do have a 14th one that I got today because I had some printables and then I had one just regular manufacturer coupon that came in the insert this past week. I didn't buy coupons this week, just the one that got mailed to my house, and I just fit that in because I only needed like $1 and change to go towards to finish out my other deal, so I just got a 14th one. But you want to get 13 to do the spend 50 get back 20. It's an amazing deal with the $2 in-ad coupon, and then the 75-cent off printable, or it's $1 off in my newspaper. So really outstanding deal, just super great. But definitely with the Tide, the Dial, the Rite Guard, and the Persil, I just kind of, and the nail polish remover, I kind of just made up my own scenario. So that's what I recommend, like I did 2 weeks ago in my video. You just have to do the figure, the scenarios out for the things that you personally need. The Persil and Gain I won't use. We only use Tide, but that stuff I will give to other people. So I always try to get really cheap detergent because I do give it away. So yeah, and free candy bars, 2 for $1. Use the $1 off a 2 load card coupon. Only 3 of my cards had that, so I still have a chance to do it on my 2 other cards, which is great. The Rite Guard I thought was a decent deal towards the spend 50 get back 20, and same thing with the hand soaps. I had $1 off of 2 printable coupons for that as well. So again, nothing too difficult, or really the really strict scenarios are the Scots and the soft soap. For the Scots, again, like I said, you want to get a total of 8 to do the spend 50 get back 20. Only buy 4 in a transaction each time. Soft soaps, you want to get 13 altogether to do the spend 50 get back 20, and of course that promotion is a limit 2 per card. So still trying to get used to the bonus cash and everything. I feel like it's gonna take me some time, but I'm just really happy that I have been keeping up with couponing. Last week I didn't coupon because I did not see anything. I'm hoping to keep up with my blog. I didn't this week again because I was just swamped with work and I was just pooped out. So I'm hoping that, you know, I can keep up with it for the weeks to come. I'll be away, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to post a breakdown blog video for next week, but hopefully you'll see a haul for that week because I think there's some pretty decent deals coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment what your favorite deal is for this week. Bye guys.